To register for Iowa Western classes, you'll first want to start at the homepage of Rock. Find the card that says Academic Planning at the top and click the first link titled Student Planning. You'll then be given two options: view your progress and plan your degree and register for classes. Select the second option to navigate to your student plan and timeline. Make sure the semester you are trying to register for is listed at the top. If not, use the arrow keys to navigate to the correct semester. Your College Success Advisor will go through your student account before the start of priority registration and plan your classes for you according to your field of study. If you don't see any classes planned or aren't sure that the classes planned for you are correct, reach out to your advisor and they can assist. Currently, your classes should be planned, but you're not registered for them yet. If you or your advisor have already gone through your account and picked out your classes for the next semester, it will look like this. All you will need to do is review the selected classes and make sure the times and format work for you. Then just click the Register Now button at the top of the page to get registered. If your next semester of classes looks like this, then you'll need to go through yourself and select the sections. Click on the View Other Sections option beneath each class to see the time and format options. Note that depending on the class, there may be multiple pages of options to choose from. In-person classes held on the Council Bluffs campus will always be listed first, followed by in-person classes held on our satellite campuses, which are located in surrounding communities. If you're registering for in-person classes, please ensure you're being mindful of the campus you select when getting registered. Online classes at Iowa Western are not tied to a specific campus and do not have specific meeting times. You can find Iowa Western's online classes listed at the end here. Once you've found the section of the classes you would like to register for, click Add Section. Then repeat this process for each of the classes you would like to take. Keep in mind that at least 12 credit hours per semester is considered full-time, but you will likely need around 15 credit hours per semester if you want to graduate in 2 years. If you plan to attend part-time, we recommend meeting with your advisor to discuss your graduation timeline and assist in planning your classes accordingly. Once all of the classes are planned as you'd like them to be, just click the Register Now button at the top to register yourself for all of them. Once you've successfully registered, your courses will look like this, with the Registered but Not Yet Started note listed beneath the name of the class. Please double-check that registration went through for all of the classes you'd like to register for. If you get an error message or the system does not allow you to register for certain classes, reach out to your advisor for assistance. As the start of the semester draws closer, classes will begin to fill up, so you may notice that some of the class sections have wait lists. Once you register for the other classes, you can click the Waitlist button beneath the class to add yourself to that waitlist. If you're on a waitlist, it's very important to check your iwcc.edu email daily, as you will receive an email when a spot opens up for you in the class. Once a spot opens up, you will be given a limited amount of time to register for the class. If you fail to register within that time frame, the open spot will be offered to the next person on the waitlist, and you'll miss your chance. Once you're fully registered, be sure to review your billing and financial aid pages to ensure your bill is covered for the next semester. If you need any assistance in the registration process or need help with billing, financial aid, or payment plan steps, you can reach out to your advisor or make an appointment with them via the IWCC advising page.